Welcome to this new video where we dive into the must-have trends of 2025. This year, it's all about effortless elegance, smart, stylish solutions that elevate your home in seconds. And today, we're bringing you a product that's making waves in the world of bedding, a touch of sophistication and comfort instantly transforming your bedroom. Let's take a closer look at these trendy wraparound bed skirts. Want to stay ahead in home trends? Here are 2025's must-have design ideas. Skirting is back. This year, the biggest trend in bedroom decor is luxury meets convenience, and we've got the perfect product to transform your bed in seconds. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional bed skirts. These wraparound dust ruffle bed skirts are designed for an easy fit, no-fuss installation, and a sleek, tailored look, all with an adjustable elastic strap. And the best part? They stay wrinkle-free, fade-resistant, and machine-washable, so your bed always looks fresh and stylish. Whether you love classic pleats, soft cotton, or delicate lace, these bed skirts add the perfect finishing touch to your bedroom without the hassle. Click the link below to get yours today. If you loved this video and want to stay updated on the latest trends and must-have home essentials, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which bed skirt style is your favorite, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next trend spotlight. See you in the next video.